Hey, hello YouTubers and Pantera enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Please feel free to subscribe and hit the like button. This is going to be a slideshow actually of the steps that were taken to change out the radiator in my 1973 Pantera Lusso. Getting this car back on the road will be a challenge, but challenge accepted. This is the radiator, and we've already removed the hoses and started to unbolt the radiator at this point. After this, we had removed the front grille and removed the two fans, the old fans that were feeding air to the radiator. In this next shot, you're able to see the brackets that were holding the fans. These will need to be cut out to make room for the new radiator that lays forward. We've now removed the radiator, and you can see the brackets that were holding the fans and the space where the new radiator will go in. In this picture, you see a shot of the old radiator that was the original radiator that came with the car. We've opted to go with the new aluminum radiator. We're now taking a grinder and we're cutting out the brackets that were holding the old fans. This will allow the room that the new aluminum radiator needs to lay forward. Here are a couple of shots with the new radiator in, and then we're going to go ahead and show you another angle of the radiator that's installed. This is just another shot of the new radiator that's been installed, so you can get just another angle of it. Okay, next I want to talk about filling the radiator, but before I do, I want to give a special thanks to Jerry and Justin at PI Motorsports. This is where I made my decision to get my radiator, and let me tell you what, these guys are just phenomenal. I cannot say enough about them. Thank them for all their help. I'm still calling and asking them questions um, because with any 50-year-old car, you're going to have issues, and these guys have been working on these cars for over 30 years. So thank you, Jerry and Justin. And next, like I said, what I wanted to talk about and address is filling the radiator. So you definitely want to get a radiator fill funnel. These are highly recommended because it keeps from introducing uh, air into the system, and this is one of the main problems for the car overheating. When you're filling the car back with radiator, actually with antifreeze, um, anti-boil, you definitely want to have the back of the car lifted so any air will rise to the highest point. Once these cars also take 6 gallons, it's a big system, so you're definitely going to want to drive the car and try and get any air released by lifting the car and bleeding the radiator from the front. And again, from the back, I'm going to try a pressure release radiator cap, releasing pressure because I'm still having overheating problems. There's a lot of information out there on different forums on what to do. So feel free to look it up on a forum. And I can tell you that the community is just phenomenal. These Pantera people are friendly and full of advice. So you'll always find people that'll help you. I want to say thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. There's going to be more videos to follow. I have to change my thermostat and my water pump, and I've got some other things that I need to do to the car. So there will be more videos, and I'm new to YouTube, so thank you for your patience in my slideshow and commentary. Thanks again, YouTubers and Pantera lovers.